superstar. We have got an interesting story for you today. The Noisy Farm by Rod Campbell. You're going to enjoy every bit of the story. You're going to learn about different sounds made by different farm animals, and you're going to see great pictures. Come on, superstars. Let's dig into this amazing story. It's daybreak on the farm. Cock-a-doo-doo-doo, says the rooster. Wake up, wake up. Woof, woof. Sam the farm dog is awake. He can hear lots of different noises. Sam can hear a chonging noise. What can that be? Let's find out, superstar. Wow, it's the tractor off to plow the fields. Where is Sam? Where exactly is Sam? Let's find Sam. Sam, where are you? Where are you? Oh, okay. Over there. You're right, superstar. Sam is there. Sam can hear a running noise. And what can that be? Let's find out. It's the rabbit running home. Rabbit, 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 rabbit. Where are her babies? Rabbit, 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 rabbit. Where are her babies? Ooh, over there. Wow. Some can hear a mooing noise. And what can that be? Let's find out, superstars. It's the cow in the barn. Moo! Moo! Where is her calf? Moo! Where exactly is her calf? Let's find out. Woo! Over here, superstar. Wow. Some can hear an oinking noise. And what can that be? Let's find out. It's the pig in the pigsty. Where are her piglets? Oink, 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 oink. Let's find her piglets. Woo! Wow! Amazing! And how many piglets can you find? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 piglets. You're right, superstars. Some can hear a clucking noise. And what can that be? Let's find out. It's the hen in the hen house. Cluck, 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 cluck. Where are her chicks? Let's find the chicks. Where exactly could the chicks be? Can you find the chicks around? Oh! Wow! And how many chicks do we have here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 chicks. So cute. Some can hear a baa noise. What can that be? Let's find out, superstars. It's the sheep in the field. Ba, ba, ba. Where is her lamb? Where is her lamb? Where exactly could her lamb be? Let's find out. Oh, wow. Here is the lamb. Over here, superstars. Some can hear a quacking noise. What can that be? Okay, let's find out. It's the duck by the pond. Where are her ducklings? Quack, 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 quack. Where exactly could her ducklings be, superstars? Woo! Over here! Wow! And how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4. You're right, superstars. 4 ducklings. Amazing. The sun is up now and it's getting hot. Everything is quiet in the farm. Let's find out what happens. But listen, there's a loud snowing noise coming from the barn. Who can that be? Let's find out, let's find out. Let's find out. Let's find out, let's find out. Let's find out. Oh, the dog is sleeping. The dog is sleeping. And what should we do? Shh. Let's leave him to sleep. Wow. Amazing story by Rod Campbell. And I guess you enjoyed every bit of the story. Now you know the different sounds made by different farm animals, the names of their young, and where they stay. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our amazing educational story next time. Bye, superstars.
Please subscribe.